Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English channel. Students, today we are going to start a new poem called Trees. It's written by Shirley Baer. Shirley Baer is an English poet born on 17th October 1944. In this poem, the poet talks about all the advantages or the benefits that a tree gives to us. It reflects all the things that we all receive from the trees. So let me read the poem first. But before starting the poem, let me ask you a few questions. Can you name few trees? Yes, banyan tree, peepal tree, mango trees. These are the most used trees found in India. So let me first read the poem. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mother say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make father say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." It is written by Shirley Baer. So let me explain it now. In this poem, the poet listed down the various advantages or benefits or use of a tree. They cater to the needs of all forms of life. Birds live and make their nest in the tree. Birds derive food and shelter from the tree, and so do some of the animals too. Children make tree houses. They tie their swings in the branches of a tree, and swinging on the branches of a tree is more interesting. Why, children? Because when it swings, it gives fresh air, it energizes you, it gives you a lot of joy. And children also plays hide and seek behind the trees. The adults also enjoy the trees alike, having tea parties under the shade of the tree. Children sometimes complain about the tree when their kites get stuck or get caught in the tree. In summer, people take shelter in its shade. When the winds blow through the trees, the leaves and branches move to and fro, giving cool breezes. Trees are to make no shade in winter, means the poet says in a humorous way that during winter the shade of the tree is not needed. People enjoy the warmth of the sun during winter. Trees also gives us very juicy sweet fruits like apples and pears. The trees are chopped down so that their wood could be put to use. The logs and wood timber is used for carpentry and to make furniture. According to the poet, the mothers love to capture the beauty of the trees on their canvas, and father feels it is a burden when leaves fall down in autumn. But fathers, they used to gather the scattered leaves from the ground and use it as fuel or turn it into manure. So this is the explanation. Hope you understand. Let's start the exercises now. Exercises. Read first one. Read these definitions aloud to your partner. Ask him or her to give the word for each definition. Clue. Same word for the first three definitions A, H and C. A wooden seat fixed by 4 lanes of rope from a branch of a tree is called swing. Fix a wooden seat by 4 lanes of rope from a branch of tree. Swing. Ride backward and forwards on a wooden seat suspended by ropes from a branch of a tree is called, yes, swinging. Sweep up dead leaves into a heap is called rake. A group of people who go on long walks outside towns and cities for exercise or pleasure is called trekkers or hikers. The season between summer and winter, when leaves turn gold and fruits become ripe, is called autumn. Second question. Interact with your partner on the points raised in the questions below. Write down what you say. Read it aloud to your partner. Question A. The first four lines of the poem say birds, children, and people make use of trees. How do they do this? Answer. Children tie swings from the branches of the tree and swing. They play hide and seek, hiding behind the trees. They fly kites under the tree, and people have tea parties under the tree shade. Question B. Why do trees make noise sometimes? When the wind blows, the leaves of the tree rustles and it makes noise. Question C. When do children complain about trees? When the kites get caught in the trees, the children complain. Question D. Where do the hikers look for cool shades in summer? In summer, the hikers look for cool shades under the tree. Question E. Why is mother happy to see the trees? Mother is happy to see a lovely picture in the tree to paint. Question F. Why does the father grumble about his tree? Father grumbles because he has to rake up all the fallen dead leaves. Question G. Which word suggests the sound of an electric saw? Yes, timber. Question number 3. Did any pictures come to your mind when you read the poem? Talk to your partner about them. Fill in the blanks with suitable words, then tell your partner the pictures that came to your mind. Little tree houses seen on dash treetops. A girl hides dash behind a tree to play dash hide and seek. Caught in the branches, an old kite has lost its dash flight. At midday, the cool shade is dash soothing. A coconut palm swings its fronds on a dash day, windy day. A mango tree is laden with big bunches of mangoes. A dash tree on a misty day, a banyan tree on a misty day. So over. Hope you understand, children. Like, share and subscribe.